Hi, it's Dave from Baking with Fox Hollow Kitchen. Want a quick, easy dessert that's easy to make for the holidays? We'll show you how to make Watergate Salad today on Baking with Fox Hollow Kitchen. Hello to all my Fox Hollow fam. I'm Dave and welcome to Baking with Fox Hollow Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make Watergate Salad. It's a quick and easy dessert that you can throw together in no time, and I promise it'll be a big hit at any holiday get-together. So if you're ready, then let's have some fun. Okay, to start off with, in our stand mixer here, we're going to take 4 ounces of cream cheese that's at room temperature. That's a half a block of cream cheese. You can double this recipe and use the whole block, it doesn't matter. And then to that we're going to add a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then with our whisk attachment, we're going to whisk this together until it's creamy. Okay, we may need to get this off with the spatula here, because it's just sticking to the whisk is all. Alright, that's looking pretty smooth there. To that we're going to add a pint of heavy whipping cream, 2 cups. And we may need to get this up here, but we are going to whisk this together, and we're going to have to use a spatula and scrape the sides a couple times here, but we're going to whip this up until we get stiff peaks out of our whipped cream. Alright, that's looking pretty stiff there. Oh yeah, definitely good. We're going to take about a half a cup of this whipped cream out and set it aside and just refrigerate it, and we're going to move on to the next step. So the next thing we're going to do in a separate bowl here is we have about 8 ounces of crushed pineapple. An 8-ounce can will do, or I had a 20-ounce can and I took a little less than half of it, so 8 ounces is fine. And then a regular pack of pistachio instant pudding, a 3.4-ounce pack. And what we're going to do is whisk this together until the gelatin of the pudding is dissolved, just until the pudding is completely dissolved into this. And we got a festive green color. We want it to be completely dissolved. That's looking good. And then we're going to move on. Okay, so we put our whisk away. The next thing we need to do is take the rest of our whipped cream. We had set aside a half cup of it. We're going to use that for later. But we're going to take the rest of the whipped cream and put it in here. Be careful, don't deflate it. Keep it nice and fluffy. This is easy to make. It's something you can throw together pretty easily. You can make a double batch of this pretty easily. I'm just making a single batch. And the exact measurements are not necessary. You can use any measurements. I'm just using these. To that we're going to add 1.5 cups approximately of mini marshmallows. And then very gently we're going to fold all this together without deflating our whipped cream. Just gently get it all together here. It takes a little while to do. And that is about it for now. We've got this nice pastel green color and everything's folded in. We're going to throw this in the refrigerator for an hour to let the pudding set nice, and then we'll come back to it then. Okay, so now this is set for an hour. The last thing we're going to do before we serve it is put in some chopped pecans that I've toasted here. Half a cup is fine, 3/4 cup at most. And we're just going to toss those in as well. Now that this is all set up pretty good with the pudding, we're just going to toss some nuts in here. The nuts are kind of optional. You don't have to do the nuts if you don't want to. We're just going to fold those in just like we did everything else. And really that is it. That is our Watergate salad, and we're going to serve it with the whipped cream that we pulled out, the half cup of whipped cream, and maybe a cherry on top, a maraschino cherry. And that is it. Well, now for the best part, the taste test. I got a huge bowl of it here. We're going to get a little piece. That is light and fluffy and so sweet. You guys are going to love it. Wrapping up today, I want to thank you all for joining us and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before I go, always remember, it's good times and good food, only on Baking with Fox Hollow Kitchen. We'll see you soon.
If you like this video or any of our other videos,
be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.